To draw No-Face, a character from the Miyazaki film Spirited Away, we'll start by drawing the shape of the face. This character resembles a ghost, so we'll draw the face like this. You'll notice that it's slightly elongated. Then, draw a vertical line in the center and 2 horizontal lines here. Draw the facial expression like this. While the mouth is smiling, the eyes give off a somewhat melancholy expression. This is reinforced by the lines here. The shape of the body is simple without much detail. Erase any unnecessary lines in order to finalize the facial details. The eyes are black. Be careful when filling in the designs, which are lighter than the eyes and mouth. Color the body black to finalize your drawing.